What the hell? Luigi.
Pull pine that dirty. 10 out 30. Still sipping dirty. Still putting work in. Let's go. That's girl Birkin. You know checking.
What's going on, boys? It is Sunday, day 3 or 4, something like that. But either way, we just went and got breakfast and shit over here in Brickell. Went to Mommin, absolutely banging per usual. Headed back to the Airbnb right now. About to get on the bikes. And then we outside since it was raining yesterday. Gonna host a little ride out today. We'll see. Probably get some bikes outside. Won't be huge like the weekend, but either way, we're still in Miami, so we're still outside. But let's get straight into the video. What up, boys? We've spawned in on the bikes now. We're heading to the park to go meet up with the pack. Woo. It's a Monday, so who knows what size pack we're gonna get. But we're outside either way. So, yeah. Yo, let's hit a little dig here, bro. Ready? 3, 2, we're a little race. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! That's the homie Ben on his custom light beat, bro. He's done like everything to that bike. That thing's actually crazy. She needs some TLC, but absolute ripper. Bro, he would definitely mog Clav. 100%, bro. Miami Mazda right there, bro. Got the wrapper chain on too. It's far. 2DO in the wild. Alrighty, boys, we've spawned in to the design district. Look at that R8, G-Wagon, Dior store. Bro, I mean, like, even the mopeds, dog. Like, these aren't the cheap mopeds. You could tell. You could tell we're in the design district. Ugly Mercedes, bro. Yoo! Oh, what is that, Rari? Oh, what is that? 488? Sexy yellow color. That's a LARP whip right there, bro. Corvette. Oh, there's the R8 again. Those are sexy, dude. Alright, we out to Wynwood now. Oh, bro, there's this one dope-ass little shortcut here in Wynwood. Just gotta hit a little whoop whoop. Good eye, mate. Gauge me, bro. Here we go. Bro, they've been constructioning on this since I moved out last May. It's currently like March. Bro, that's hella long. Construction faster, bro. Bro, people in Miami don't take being trolled very well. Let me ask this guy. Nah, he walked away. I'll ask one of these people. Maybe not this guy. Yo, you know where the dolphin statue is? Like that big blue dolphin statue? No idea. He's like holding like an iPhone. It's been all over like TikTok.
I have no idea.
For real.
The statue I know is that one right there.
Oh, that's the only statue you know?
That's the only one I know of this area, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta learn some more statues, I guess. All right, have a good day, bro. Apparently he's not a Wikipedia. Bro, that ain't the most Miami shit ever. Gang's got a suit on with the hat and some running shoes. Wild. No way. Yo, that's my boy. Oh my God. I haven't seen him since I moved out, bro. That's Joseph. Back to the B&B to charge up. What are you on?
I'm gonna stay here.
All right, bro.
In this area.
Yeah, you gonna charge up and come back out?
Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go work just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys, be safe.
All right, bro. It was good to see you, dog. Stay safe.
All right, bro. Have a good one.
Perfect timing, bro. Woo. Yo, ain't no way. Wildin'. OG is just ripping on the town, bro. And we got a chicken over here waiting for it to be safe to cross the road. What is happening right now? This is not real. Alrighty, boys, we've spawned back into the server with a bunch of homies. Oh shit. We're ripping it up. I think we're heading down to Brickell right now. Not too sure what we're getting up to tonight, but we are outside. Found a little pack, so let's get it. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir! Oh, okay. Okay. Go ham. Go ham. Woo! Come on, let's see some. Oh, there we go. Sheesh! Going crazy, bro. This guy's comfort on the Ultra B is unmatched, bro. Endless. fucking endless, dude. Let's go. Yes, sir! Type shit. Type shit. Type shit. Type shit. So smooth too. Or just like gets that bike to balance point and then jumps all over it like crazy. Just holds it there like it's nothing. Brake control's impeccable. Shoo! Right past the Rari. Ooh. And the rolls, double rolls. Not amused. What is that, my boy? Can I see that? The watch. It's awesome. Oh, sick though. Thank you. What the hell? Luigi. What up, Luigi? Can you do the emote? Emote. Emote. Yeah. Luigi emote. Yeah. Yeah. Type shit. Type shit. Yeah. That's Luigi right there. Yeah. Only in Miami, bro. Huh?
Money up. All these kids trying to make money up.
Huh? I couldn't hear a word he was saying. I was just about to say that. I haven't seen Ben. Alright, we out.
You wanna hit Kibi or something?
Yeah, we out to Kibi. Yo, what? That was wild. Bro's just ripping on the wheelchair. Bro, that is actually so sick. He just got a little electric adapter for his wheelchair. He's ripping. Hell yeah, bro. Brother, 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 brother. Whew. Sorry guys, had a brother attack there. Oh shit, he actually is wilding on the street tire. Well boys, now that we have a little bit of a pack outside, we're heading to Kibi. Gonna go hit the bridge. Boys going crazy with this wind, bro. I don't know how they're doing all that. Let's go. I'm just about to do some crazy shit, I bet. Boys, after ripping in Henry's M2 since I've been here, like, I don't know, for 60K, I've been thinking I should just get a 2025 M2 and then put like an exhaust and a tune and shit and call it a day. I mean, it's a pretty raw car. M2 or save for a Rari. Because if you think about it, you get like 4 M2s for the price of 1 Rari. So you could get like an M2, M3, M4, fully build them, or get a Rari. I don't know, bro. Maybe get an M2. And 3 and 4. No, M2 and a vet, that would be kind of dope. Or just get a fucking Rari because it's so LARP. I mean, it's peak, bro. Rari at 20, like, come on.
Till that day.
Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands. Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands. Check my pants, they say true, man. They say true, man. Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands. Check my pants, they say true, man. Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands. Check my pants, they say true, man. They say true. Blow bands, blow bands, blow bands. Check my pants, they say true, man. I'm flexing all these blue bands. I'm flexing in my true pants. These Margiela's make you